Ok, nhớ rồi à, nhớ rồi bé trong khi mong sẽ là món chua nó nó cũng như cho nên bé muốn sai sẽ bé kế sĩ từ haiภาษาอังกฤษnhớ cho họ bé chỉ cần đó Susawa College sẽ hai lý trả nó rồi cũng lúc bé qua thay nhưng này rồi nhưng tới nó cũng ba lúc họ khó hai tia nhẹ chia yếu chỉ tao này rồi giờ lên tới ภาษาอังกฤษhai tia receive what money can buy nè nhưng tới này short cá sẽ bé yếu muốn sĩ từ hai lý trả rồi nên tới thôi cho nên cho bé muốn tao rồi
nhớ rồi ạ nó vừa cho bé mình sai và bé sĩ tư để cần bé chỗ mong là do cho ý chỗ do cho họ lỡ lúc họ sẽ muốn nói ạ bé vừa sai lỡ sĩ tư để chân chế nhớ cho nó dạ để bé cái gì chỉ cần bé cái gì lòng sai lỡ sĩ tư chế thì nó to bây giờ chân ý tờ rất cái chân chế ạ today we will see that some people make or speak presentation in the Susawa College. Today, we feel very enjoyous for make or speak with them in the night class. I wish everyone has a good trip for presentation today. Thank you.
On the street to work, and he saw a young lady who was sitting on the floor on the street get from mom to ask money for her education. And he tried to help them. This boy took his pocket money out and he checked it. He had only 50,000 gift, but he donated it all for her education. From work, he always tried to donate 50,000 gift for her every day. And many people around there said that he is a businessman. Why he did like that? But he didn't care what they said. Because he is a kind person. Wherever he goes, or whatever he did, he is trying to help others. One day, he came to ask me what he did. But he didn't see the lady. He just saw her mom sitting on the floor on the street to ask money. He feels so sad. He has a question in his mind that why she wasn't here. In that time, he heard a voice call behind him that, "Mom, Mom!" And he turned his back. He saw a young lady wearing a school uniform. He was so happy and smiling congratulating for him because what he did. So she got a scholarship to study. So friends, I would like to tell you that if we do like it, what do we get? And what does he get from return in doing like it every day? He gets nothing. He will not be a return. He will not be appear on TV. No one still know him and not be more famous. Because what he does receive felt in gratitude, emotion, feelings, happiness, didn't look him that girl's smile on her uniform. Riches and a deeper understanding and cures the love and receive what money can buy and made the world more beautiful. In your life, what is that you deserve most? What do people want? Have you ever wondered why some people have a lot of money but they're still unhappy? Correct. It your heart to love others and open your eyes. Finally, as my teacher said, what the more you give is the more you receive. Thank you.
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 brothers, and me. The family we live in a countryside village. It's far from Nong Hae district, about 20 kilometers. It is a Kailash mountain and a half of the mountain. We moved to Pusan City since year in 1999. But my father's name is Vaitia. He is a quick talk and a little fish. He is about 15, 6 years old. He is a kind person and a man that knows well good about the home culture. And my mother's name is Miss Russell. She is 15 years old. She's quick talk and she's a beautiful woman and she got white skin. My parents are salespersons that have a small shop. They sell household items. They work really hard every morning to evening outside and under the sun to earn money for a living. My eldest brother name is Mr. Jian. He is 26 years old. He is a student at American College. And my older brother name is Mr. Lila. He is 25 years old. He used to be an excellent student when he was in high school. He got scholarship to study. He graduated from Sukarno University. Subject is General English. Now he's working at Donjan Hotel. And about me, my name is Miss Old. I was born in 1998. I am 20 years old now. When I was a kid, I used to be a really naughty daughter. Especially I like to go out with my friends. I am a person who gets angry easily. When I get angry or sad, I don't like to stay alone. I like to go out to do activities with my friends. And I'm a shy person. For example, when I want to do something, I always have to think that I cannot do it or I will give up. I'm not really sure about myself until I succeed in those days. I love to have many friends and I like to go out with them on the weekend. I use my free time to do many activities such as cooking, playing table, watching television, listening to music, singing songs, and reading. About the reading, I love to read funny and story fables. I'm a senior at Susagat College. I study financial accounting. I come to school every day. I pay my tuition for my learning. My favorite subject is account and English. I have a dream that I will be a good leader or an accountant and to take care of the foreigners to travel everywhere. Here's the most job that I want to have in my future. So I'm so proud to be with my families and nothing is better than my families. Thank you much.
Waiting for an opportunity is like waiting a train on the airport. This is a very, very powerful saying, and one of my most favorite one because my parents teach me a lot with this saying, and I think it's worth sharing to all of you guys here in this convention hall. But first of all, I would like you guys to think of the answer because I'm going to ask you questions. You don't have to shout out the answer. What you have to do is just to think in your mind. What is your goal? What is your ambition? What is your destination in your life? And what do you do in order to get there? Or even more, even better, how do you get yourself to be closer to that place? And how do you prepare for it? I believe that these questions are not very common for a lot of you guys here in this hall. You may not come across this very often because not a lot of people is going to answer these questions, but I think these questions are worth thinking about. You should think about them. Because every people here that were born, we get the chance to born. And we have to find something or create something for the world. And most of the times, a lot of times, our goal or our dreams is going away. It's gone because we choose to listen to other people. We choose to listen to the naysayer, and we tend to believe them. We tend to believe the fortune teller telling us that we should not do this because we're not going to be successful. We tend to believe the people saying or telling us that we don't have what it takes to be successful. And that is a very shameful life. Waiting for an opportunity is like waiting a train on the airport. What does it mean to you guys? It's impossible. In the airport, you're never going to find a train, that's for sure. If you want to see your train, you have to go to the railway station or a platform. So then you can find it, you can use it to go somewhere else. So what do? If it's the real life situation, if you're at the airport and you want to find a train, you will not sit there. You would go catch a bus, catch a car to get there. How about in real life? What do? When you find yourself off track to your goal, to your dream, when you find yourself in the place that you don't deserve to be, you find yourself in the place that you're not supposed to be, why do you stay there? Why don't you get up and find a new way to go to your destination? So ladies and gentlemen in this hall, next time, if you want to go find something in your life, and you find yourself not in the place that you are supposed to be, I think you guys know what you should do. Thank you.
We are born with dream and strong of line, and we all want to dream to become true in order for us to be successful. However, the path to the goal are filled with obstacles and often that people would just stop chasing their dream because they think it's too difficult and they don't have enough ability and capability to continue doing what they want. Nevertheless, we still have to remember that victory is always possible to the person who refuses stop fighting. His belief that we can succeed. We are the winner of game or blind in our effort because the successful is depends on efforts. If we want to be successful, we have to try harder, try not to give up easily, try to do our very best, and try until we get something that could make us feel satisfied with this, until there is the getting that happened to us as expected. The effort is beside the successful, toward every effort is not always success, toward the success is come from our efforts. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Samtong district is the one of 9 districts of Vientiane. Far away from
45 kilometers. It shares border with 5 districts and Thailand. It has a total area of 7,082 kilometers. There are 35 units of Santhong district. There are 15,311 of the government of the total population of 30,049. Santhong district has 2 ethnic groups. Santhong district consists total 3 main rivers, namely Nam Ton River, Nam Sang River, and Mekong River. Therefore, many people in Santhong district invert their farm and plant vegetables and rice and fish anymore, and it has a large agricultural about 11,836.57. Santhong district. There are many natural tourist attractions such as Taton Waterfall is located in Savannah Village. Tatakay Waterfall is located in Natural Village. These places are natural attractions. Generally, there is a lot very beautiful to go to and rainy season. But in the dry season is the natural of water is maintained. There is one more place popular to visit, the Tuk Noi Kampong, or in English called Tuk Noi Kevin Mekong Riverside, suitable for relaxation and eating food with beautiful view. This place is very beautiful. Tourists from Vientiane like to take a rest and stay Santhong district.